All right, welcome back. So today, what we're going to be going through is two example problems that are coming straight out of your March 20th review sheet that was included for today's assignment. I want to go over problem number 1 and problem number 3, but let's first start with problem number 1. Problem number 1 is k to the third power divided by k to the fourth times 2 times k to the third. So the way we're going to work with this is we want to simplify our numerators first, simplify our denominator second, and then see if we can apply the quotient property. Well, in here we have k to the third in the top, so nothing is going to happen there. Nothing at all is going to happen. So it's just going to be k to the third. Now we look in the bottom, we have k to the fourth times k to the third. Well, using one of the properties of exponents, if we have the same base of k, and they're getting multiplied, well, then we add the exponents, because it says I have 4k in the left. I have 3 more k, so I have k, come on now, to the 7th, and we're going to bring that 2 over. So now we have 3k on top, and we have 7k's on the bottom. Well, does the numerator or denominator have more k's? The denominator has 7k's when the top has 3k, so the denominator has 4 more k's. So it's going to be k to the fourth times 2. And in the top, we can't just have nothing, but we know that anything divided by itself is going to be 1. So we leave a 1 in the numerator. So our final answer, when we rewrite it, is 1 over 2 k to the fourth. All right, awesome. Now let's talk about problem number 3. Problem number 3 says we have the quantity 2x to the fourth times x to the fourth, all getting raised to the second power, and that's divided by the quantity 2x to the third getting raised to the second times x squared. So we're going to look inside here first. We want to work inside our parentheses. Can we simplify anything in there? You betcha. You betcha we can. So we're going to have 2, and x to the fourth times x to the fourth means I have 8 x's. So it's going to be 8, so x to the 8th. And all of that is still getting raised to the second power. Let's see if we can simplify anything in the denominator. Well, I have 2x to the third. I can't do anything there, but I can apply the power of a product property and distribute the 2 to both of the exponents. So I'm going to have 2 to the second times x to the 6, because 3 times 2 is 6, times x squared. Well, in the numerator, I can distribute this 2 in, so I get 2 squared times x to the 16th. At the bottom, I have x to the 6th times x squared, so I'm going to get x to the 8th. And I'm going to bring over that 2 squared. So now we can apply our quotient properties. I have 2 squared divided by 2 squared. Well, what's anything divided by itself? 1. So that is now gone. Now I have x to the 16th over x to the 8th, and I get x to the 8th because I subtract. 16 is bigger than 8, so my exponents are going to stay on the top in the numerator. 16 minus 8 is 8, which is our final answer of simply x to the 8th. You're doing a great job with this. If you have questions, send us an email. We will get back to you as soon as we can. And drop into our virtual office hours when we have them. We're here to help you out, and we want to be able to answer your questions. So come on in, drop on by, and just let us know how you're doing. From our perspective, you're doing so great with this. We're so proud of you. Keep up the great work, and have a great weekend.